JavaScript is the go-to language for developers looking to build versatile and performant web applications, and JavaScript developers are some of the most sought-after hires at startup and enterprise companies alike. That's why Udacity has partnered with industry experts to bring you the skills you need to build and deploy JavaScript applications from end to end. In the full-stack JavaScript developer Nanodegree program, you will take your development skills to the next level and learn how to deliver exceptional user experiences with a modern architecture and technology stack. The program will cover back-end development with Node.js, API development with PostgreSQL and Express. Students will also learn how to deploy applications to a production environment with automated pipelines. Over the course of the program, you'll demonstrate your ability to implement these essential JavaScript skills in 4 distinct projects modeled after real business cases. From front-end to back-end, develop the practical experience you need to create modern applications that will support your company's goals and keep your customers engaged. Enroll in Udacity's full-stack JavaScript developer Nanodegree program today.